Hello everyone, this is Robel from Prefix. So here we go. Today I have a delivery. This is the famous Nothing Phone 3A, which is currently beating Apple's iPhones. Let's see what is the quality of this phone and go with my first unboxing of this phone. This is Nothing Phone 3A. Alright. Very compact package, as you can see, and nothing fancy. Okay, and there you go. Perfect. Small package. I'm trying to open it, then take it out. All right, there you go. Okay, nice and clean, shiny phone. Okay, so let's do it. Here it is written the model number, blah blah blah. Let's do it. Oh, it looks nice. Take the phone, open it. The USB-C charger. It is a manual, and this is the famous phone. Let's see. Whoa! Oh, it's a nice looking phone. Holy smoke! It's nice. It is really nice and clean. Neat and clean phone, not too heavy, but my goodness, it is really shiny. Everything is just so neat and clean, black and white. This is a glossy button. This is, I think, volume up and down is here, so this is probably the start button. Let me see. Oh no, yes, started. Nothing Android, as you can see. This is perfect phone, if I say so. Okay, let it run here, and let me check what is inside in the box. Okay, here you go. The pin. SIM. This is nice looking SIM removal thingy. Anyway, other than that, there is nothing. Only the USB-C cable, no charger or whatever. Okay, so that's it. Nothing so fancy about this one anyway, but my goodness, this is so nice. Okay, so connect to mobile network. I should do it. I'll show you the detailed things, but here, look at this. So this is like kind of show up. It is not really real, but the phones, man, this is like a tele camera, and two of the camera is basically like 50 megapixels. So there's a flash, and obviously this camera is, I heard, 34 megapixel. Overall, this is like a very nice phone. Okay, let me check the at least the SIM tray for you guys. Okay, so here you go. I open it. I was really looking for it. I heard, I saw lots of reviews that this phone is currently beating Apple's iPhone, the 16 Plus. So I'm just like really interested. Okay, this is a SIM tray. You can see nothing so fancy about, but the font is like dotted font, kind of like a nothing font. I'm not sure, like, can you do it? Okay, you can. Okay, so here are lots of screws, blah blah blah. I'm just like interested to show you the lights. Let me do the lights really. To connect my 5 GHz. Okay, so I'm connected my Wi-Fi network. Okay, so it is setting it up. One hell of a phone this is. I can tell you this is awesome phone. Okay guys, that's it. Take care and please like and subscribe. I'll give you the details of this phone after I have my experience. All right, bye bye, take care.